Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to describe how to properly install the hose. This is the dryer vent hose for a new or existing dryer. The story here is that I have an old dryer that goes there, and the hose has been, I guess, torn apart is the better word. Over the years, it wasn't done well. I didn't do it. It was somebody else's work, and but I did patch it up many times. Finally, I just decided to rip it up, and when I ripped it out, I actually realized that it wasn't even done right, because on this part right here, it was using the same size hose. This is a 4-inch, and that's a 4-inch. And instead of using something like this, where it will basically, this is like a coupler, it goes in and this one goes in there, it was somebody was just trying to jam this into that, which is not going to work no matter what. And then on this side, this is also a female and that's a male. I mean, this is supposed to go over this, like shroud over it. And so you don't need to have a smaller version here. This is actually fine to go directly there. But I went to Home Depot and they actually have something that is exact. So I already have this, but I'm not gonna use it. So I bought this from Home Depot that actually replaced both of these. So this is just a straight hose. And that straight hose require you to use something like this so that you can attach it properly here. But that means that you're going to be making two connections, because you're going to have this in there tight first like that, and then you're going to have this in here. Okay, I don't like that. So instead of using those two parts there, I'm just going to use one component here, because this is a 24-inch by 4-inch vent, and this side right here is already tapered, so that goes in there perfectly like that. And then this side right here will go in here perfectly, and then I'll be done in literally 5 minutes from here. So this is the correct component to use instead of what I had before, whoever did that. So all I have to do here is really just push this in and tape it, and then push this side in, and then use a warm drive. I mean, a warm, what do you call this thing? Hang on, let me get the sheet of a plastic bag. Worm gear clamp. Here we go. Okay, so you can buy one of these, but I already have one right here, so I'm not even gonna open this packaging. I can return that. Yeah, so all you have to do is just have one of this, go over here, tighten that up, it goes here, and you'll be good to go. All right, so I'm gonna get to work, and I will shoot another footage at the end to show how the work is done. Okay, so we got the vent installed, and let me show you. So this side right here, as I said, we just tape it all around, a nice good solid connection there. And this side right here is a little bit tougher. That worm drive screw right there, to tighten that properly, using a Phillips screwdriver is not a good idea. So this is what I use. If you have one of these screwdriver, this is a Husky with the interchangeable screw bit. That what do you call it, empty hole there, the socket, I guess, is a perfect size for that particular screw head right there. Okay, so first I was trying to do it with the Phillips screwdriver, and I realized that that's a bad idea. I can't even tighten really good, and then I switch over to this, and man, this is it. So you have to make sure you use one of these or I think this will work too. If you have a drill or a screwdriver like this, removing the bit and just using the socket itself, I think that's the same size. But either way, make sure that this side is really tight right there, okay? Because when I push this dryer in and then pull it out once in a while to clean this area, you want to make sure that this thing stays there. Well, that's about it. Just be careful when you're pushing the dryer back to make sure that this gets bent correctly, and don't push it too far back, and you should be fine. Anyways, just want to show you what is the right way to install this. And oh, one more thing. If your vent does not, like originally I think it probably has only the opening on the top, you need to buy an elbow, a 4-inch elbow that can turn about 3 different directions. So this one turns down, sideways, and then out. Without that elbow, you're gonna be you're not gonna be able to get this thing there, okay? Don't even try. It's gonna be awkward and you're gonna be doing a bad job. So just make sure you have an elbow here. If it's not a straight, direct connection like that, and get the right components, okay? Yeah, let's talk about the parts. Actually, I forgot. So get aluminum tape. This is aluminum tape, good for HVAC, heating, ventilation, AC. I have Gorilla tape here, but I didn't use it. Here's another HVAC aluminum tape. Yeah, so I like I said earlier, I didn't end up using this. I didn't end up using this one either. So this is the best way to install it. Yeah, so if you find this video useful or know somebody that can use this, please share the video. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself